Well, welcome back, everyone, and season's greetings to you and yours. Building on the class we did over the weekend, where folks raved about Rob Hoffman's TRP indicator and a suite of tools, which you're seeing overlaid on the price of the market right now, we understood from a market standpoint that there is the backbone of a continued rise in play on a weekly time frame, daily time frame. Those charts and those time frames throw their signals out in terms of the weekly, a month to a quarter, in terms of the daily, week to two, sometimes up to a month. And we recognize that the core move is still intact from the buy signal we got here in early November on the weekly chart, with a target one still open at around $480. And of course, a buy signal right there, again, from early December on the daily chart, with a midline target largely achieved, but a target two open at around that $480, $479 area. However, on a 4-hour chart that throws its signal out 3 to 5 days, we do have effectively a meet of that target two, which is around $474. And what we're experiencing in market today largely, from the 2 4-hour bars, the second bar is just effectively started about an hour and 20 minutes ago, is the potential for a rise that can continue, however, is less likely to break out above that target two. It's more likely to be confined under. Now, we can look to the hourly chart, which did get a buy signal at the first candle on the day, and look to it as a potential sign for, can we make it to a higher high? Can we perforate that target two in the 4-hour chart? There is a target one that is confirmed and is up here, but notice where the TRP on-chart buy signal came and where the momentum crossover signal came. We didn't get at the optimal spot, and we burnt out a bunch of bullish energy. So the current status is that momentum is positive, but on the bigger picture time frame, 4-hour daily, we're using a very high octane fuel, and sustainability up here is usually a shorter duration. When we're looking at the 1-hour time frame, we're not getting that buy dot, that positive momentum crossover dot, coming at the center, and with the momentum coming from underneath. So this is likely a short-lived rise if one does continue from here. And if we do come up to meet with that target one, the more likely outcome in the day following is likely a modest pullback. Now, if we happen to come down today and break down below roughly that $470.80 marker, we then come into likely a move into the rising channel, where the bottom of the rising channel on the hourly chart is currently sitting at $468 roughly, just 25 pennies shy of that. And the idea very simply would be an expectation for a dip and bounce. Why? The backbone of the move and the trend is still solidly up on the bigger picture time frame. But that would indeed allow for some refueling and open the door fairly wide for a continuation higher in the days following. I hope that this has been informational for those listening in. A season's greetings to you and yours. A very, very warm season's greetings from the entire team at BecomeBetterTrader.com and Wealth Charts. We're looking forward to seeing you in videos just like these in the days to come, and wishing you a safe and happy holiday season. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.